Hi guys, ito na naman ang nanalo sa ating 61 to 70 kilograms category. Third place natin goes to Gretel Vinarao. Ayan guys, starting weight at 64.6 kilograms. And ang final weight is 59.8. 7.43%. Ang na-loss niya ay 4.8 kilograms. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman si Ma'am Gretel Vinarao guys. Kung payat na naman siya dati pero mas lalo siyang pumayat. Di ba guys? So, disiplina lang guys. Ayan, para tayong boxing guys. So, second place goes to Ens Frando. Starting weight of 67.1 kilograms. And a final weight of 61.9 kilograms. Average of 7.75% and total loss of 5.2 kilograms. Ayan naman si Ma'am. Yan, parang nagbabike talaga si Ma'am para manalo sa ating second place. At saka, mawala yung mga taba niya sa katawan. Ayan, sumexy talaga si Ma'am. First place goes to Maureen Verdadero. Ayan, si Ma'am. Payat na talaga si Ma'am. 67.75 starting weight. And a final weight of 55.75 kilograms. Ayan, lumuwag talaga yung damit ni Ma'am. 15.21%. And a total loss of 10 kilos. Ayan si Ma'am. Alright. Happy holidays sa inyong lahat. And thank you and disiplina guys. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.